In the market of rugged phones, Ulefone has always been known for its rugged and durable products. And with the Armor 30 Pro, it not only continues this tradition, but also makes many innovations in performance and features. Next, we will review the Armor 30 Pro from various aspects such as design, performance, camera, and battery life. The packaging continues Ulefone's simple style. In addition to the phone itself, there's a tempered film and a bunch of user manuals, a 1-meter Type-C cable, a 66-watt PD charger that supports a wide voltage range of 100 to 240 volts. The overall design is tough and practical. The body is wrapped in a sturdy rubberized material that weighs over 500 grams and is about 2.5 centimeters thick. It is slightly heavier and thicker than a regular smartphone, but among all rugged phones, this size and weight is already relatively lightweight. It also boasts IP68, IP69K water and dust resistance, which means it can withstand intrusions of dust and mud and can be submerged underwater for 30 minutes at 1.5 meters without any damage. It also meets the military standard, which allows it to withstand drops, shocks, and extreme temperatures. The phone comes with a 6.95-inch FHD Plus LCD screen that supports 120Hz refresh rates and a maximum brightness of 700 nits. The screen on the back has equally good specs and can be used as a teleprompter, selfies, and more. Both screens provide decent clarity when outdoors. In addition, the side of the phone is equipped with several physical buttons, including volume keys, power button, and a multifunction shortcut key. These keys provide good feedback and a comfortable operating feel, even when wearing gloves. The Armor 30 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7000X 5G chip, an octa-core processor that can reach 2.5 GHz. Coupled with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage, it is theoretically capable of delivering excellent performance. In performance tests, the Armor 30 Pro's performance score are in the middle to upper range of similarly priced phones. In daily use scenarios such as open an app, switching tasks, etc., it can respond quickly without obvious lag. However, when running some large-scale 3D games such as Honkai Star Rail, although the game can run smoothly, after a long period of high-load operation, the phone will overheat and downclock, which affects the long-term game experience. The Armor 30 Pro's network support is also very complete. For example, the 4G network signal support can meet the coverage of most areas, such as the United States, Japan, Germany, most of North America, Europe, and Asia, but it's not that ideal when it comes to 5G support. If you are using it in Europe or Asia, then the 5G signal support is very complete. But if you're in the US, you will run into some signaling issues due to the lack of a millimeter wave support. But it's also good enough for everyday use. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and NFC for easy access to payments and other operations. The dual SIM slot design also provides users with more flexibility in network selection. The Armor 30 Pro has a great camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera equipped with a huge 1.3-inch sensor and a large f1.95 aperture that supports EIS stabilization, so it can take clear, detail-rich photos in the daytime. The 64-megapixel night vision camera comes with an infrared technology, which allows it to take clear black and white images even in near pitch black environments. Even during the day, you can experience the magic of infrared photography. The Armor 30 Pro has a large built-in 12,800 mAh battery, which gives a clear advantage in terms of battery life. This is undoubtedly a huge advantage for a phone targeted for outdoor scenarios. It also supports the 66-watt fast charging protocol, which greatly reduces the charging time. The 10-watt reverse charging feature also allows the phone to be used as a mobile power source to provide emergency charging for other devices. This could be very useful in outdoor scenarios. However, the large battery capacity doesn't come without a price. The weight and thickness of the phone will not be easy to handle. So the dual screen design of the Armor 30 Pro brings some convenience in terms of usage experience. The secondary screen can display basic information such as notifications, time, and battery status, as well as fully mirror the content and operations of the main screen. In real use, we found that the secondary screen can really provide convenience in some scenarios, such as when the sun is strong outdoors, using the secondary screen can save power. When you need to quickly check the notifications, you do not need to light up the main screen. However, dual screen interaction also has some limitations. For example, the secondary screen has a relatively low resolution, so maybe watching content on this screen is not a good idea. The Ulefone Armor 30 Pro is a rugged phone that combines ruggedness, powerful performance, and unique design. It excels in terms of protection, battery life, and camera features, and is able to meet the high demands from outdoor enthusiasts, industrial workers, and emergency, and is able to meet the high demands from outdoor enthusiasts, industrial workers, and emergency use, and many others. The superb battery life is a good thing, but it adds on the weight, so you need to bear with it. If you're a person who has high requirements for ruggedness and battery life of a phone, Armor 30 Pro is undoubtedly a good choice. Now, if you like this one, there's a link that will take you to the website. This is Ulefone from Gizmochina. See you next time.